By the end of the video, we will know ABOUT starting height. Beginner's Guide to High Intensity Interval Training. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high intensity interval training HIIT, a workout method that's been gaining popularity for its effectiveness and efficiency. So, what is HIIT? It's a form of training that alternates between high-intensity exercise periods and short recovery periods. This type of training is great because it helps you burn calories quickly, improve your cardiovascular health, and even build strength. For beginners, the key to mastering HIIT is to start slow and build up gradually. Here's a simple HIIT routine for beginners. 1 warm-up for 5 minutes with light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. To next, perform each exercise at high intensity for 30 seconds and rest for 30 seconds. Repeat each exercise for a total of 3 rounds. Jumping jacks, a classic exercise that targets your whole body while increasing your heart rate. Squats, engage your leg muscles while building strength and improving form. Push-ups, strengthen your arms, chest, back, and abs with this all-around exercise. Lunges, improve lower body strength while working on balance and coordination. Burpees, a full body workout that combines squats with a push-up and ends with a jump. Mountain climbers, another full body workout that targets your core and upper body strength while improving cardiovascular endurance. 3 cool down with light cardio or stretching for 5 minutes to avoid any post-workout soreness or injury. Remember, always listen to your body and take breaks when needed. You can gradually increase the duration or intensity of the exercises as you become more comfortable with HIIT workouts. Stay fit, stay healthy, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.